Hello everyone. In today's class, I'm going to discuss about 10th class NCERT acids and bases and salts concept chemical properties. So, we are in the concept of chemical properties. In my previous 3 videos, I explained the first chemical property, how to identify acids or bases. Second property, how acid or base react with metals. What will be the chemical reaction? Third property, how acid reacts with metal carbonates or bicarbonates. What will be the product? We have discussed all these 3 chemical properties. Now let us see the fourth chemical property, how acid base react with each other. Means among acids and bases, if they are reacting with each other, what will happen? So we know that acid react with base. For this, I just take a test tube. I have taken a test tube. In that, I took dilute NaOH solution. Few drops of dilute NaOH solution. Whenever I have taken few drops of NaOH, to this I am adding few more drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Whenever I have added in the first property I have explained, bases usually gives pink color with the phenolphthalein. So then the solution turns to pink color. To this I am adding few drops of dilute HCl. Now I observed in the test tube, suddenly there is a disappearance of pink color. Again to this I have added few drops of NaOH. Now surprisingly there is reappearance of pink color in the test tube. Why this happened? Keep on, because I have taken NaOH. Now I have added dilute HCl. Then what happened, which is a base and it is an acid? We know very well that when acid react with base, the effect is nullified. The acid effect is nullified by base effect is nullified by acid. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reactions. So I have clearly made a video on neutralization in 7th class NCERT. If you want, watch that video. Here also I am going to explain. Neutralization means the effect of base is nullified by effect of acid and the effect of acid is nullified by base. So here acid is reacting with base is reacting with acid. So the resultant salt plus water. Why? Because usually neutralization, acid react with base or base react with acid. What will be the resultant product? It forms salt and releases water molecule. Here also what is that salt? NaOH react with HCl. The resultant salt is NaCl and H2O is produced. So this is the reaction. Such type of acid react with the base, form salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. When it is neutralized, the salt doesn't have acidic properties or basic properties. That's why Initially, when NaOH is added to phenolphthalein, pink color is appeared. Whenever I have added HCl, because this pink color is because of base. Whenever I am adding acid, acid nullifies the effect of base. That's a disappearance of pink color. Again to this I am adding NaOH. So base is added. Again base has the properties. So again there is a reappearance of pink color. Likewise what happened? We have effect of base is nullified by acid, effect of acid is nullified by base. Likewise one and the thing takes place. Such type of effect nullification is called as neutralization. Neutralization is nothing but effect of acid is nullified by base, effect of base is nullified by acid. So acid base react with each other, form salt and water. This is the basic reaction. This is the fourth property of acids and bases. When acid and base react with each other, what happened? Salt and water is produced. This is very important experiment, you can easily remember. So, and one more thing among these, in examination they will ask you, particularly competitive exams, what is the phenolphthalein color in base? So it gives usually pink in color. And what are the products of neutralization also they will ask you. Acid react with base, forms the salt and water. So these are the products. This is about the fourth property of the acids and bases. In the next video we will continue the some more properties. Thank you.